against the obviously a whopped out in the industry in 26th. Now, the fact that it was creative, that Docker saw the missing time in the president role in digitizing gold. However, there was more to celebrate than just this. As per a tweet posted by Into the Block, all eyes in the market were on BTC as of 6 July. Furthermore, infographics also showed that 73.57% of BTC holders stood in a profitable position with 47.90% weekly transactions. What was also noteworthy was that 29% of the total BTC supply hadn't moved over the last 5 years. Eyes are on Bitcoin as many altcoins continue to struggle. Check out our latest infographic showcasing key on-chain metrics. What do you think is next for BTC? Now do another story. Into the block. Into the block, into the block. July 6th, 2023. In today's, we're going to add to this a nesting process.
A number of populations was going much higher. According to him, this is why BTC would outperform every other asset adoption over the next 2 to 3 decades.
Why hashtag Bitcoin will outperform in the next decades adoption S-curve on money, which is half of everything, and currently 4% of world population. It's going much higher. Really woo. July 6, 2023. Despite so much cheer and confidence surrounding the King coin, BTC's long-short ratio politically stood in a rather disappointing position. At the time of writing, BTC's long-short ratio stood at 9.1681.49.19% of took long positions, whereas short position holders stood at 50.81%. BTC's climb to $31,000 may have led to a shift in the investor mindset that may have encouraged some traders to take a profit and exit the market. However, the tiny difference between the percentage of long and short holders indicated that only some investors had a change of heart. Although the sentiment around BTC may be sublime, its price action could startle those expecting the bulls to go all out. At the time of writing, BTC was exchanging the hands at 30,371 wood, which was 64% lower than its opening price for the day. Indicators too painted a bleak picture. If BTC's moving average convergence divergence moved above the zero line. However, the MACD line, blue, and signal line, red, intersected. This was an indication of a change in movement, as this could put the bears in a position of control. Additionally, the relative strength index too was in a descending position and stood at 59.72. Its movement towards the neutral line indicated some selling pressure in the market. Furthermore, BTC's money flow index also stood at 50.79, strengthening the above-mentioned notion. What strengthens the narrative that some holders could be taking profits was BTC's exchange net flow. At the time of writing, BTC's exchange net flow stood at 1,567. This wasn't a great sign for BTC. To elaborate, when inflow outweighs the outflow, it means that more traders were depositing their BTC to exchanges than moving them out of exchanges. With the inflow outweighing the outflow, as of 6th of July, it could mean that BTC's ongoing price correction could continue. So this would be until BTC sees a resurgence buying pressure or its exchange net flow sees a higher outflow than inflow.